He was not the only one to call for a legal reform in the 16th century.
Hemoglobin carries oxygen from the lungs to other parts of the body.
Here is only one example, but there are lots of others.
Higher fees cause the students to look more critically at what universities offer.
Higher number of patients were infected during the previous outbreak of illness.
His academic supervisor called in to see him last night.
His lecture is always useful and stimulating.
His objection to include scientific evidence has brought a lot of controversy to him.
His tone tonight was nothing short of jealousy.
History is not the simple collection of dates and events.
留洋英语
Hypothetically, insufficient mastery in the areas slows future progress.
I am pleased to report that many topics have been involved in this lecture.
I believe children should read aloud more.
I can't attend the lecture because I have a doctor appointment.
I could not save my work as my computer crashed.
I didn't understand the author's point of view on immigration.
I don't understand what the comment of my essay means at all.
I don't agree with the author's point of view, but his presentation is good.
I don't like cheese and tomato sandwiches on white bread and orange juice.
You will be informed of the results by email.
留洋英语
I expect a long and stagnant debate for a week or two on this issue.
I know how to solve the problem, but I've been asked not to tell you.
Your enrollment information, results, and fees will be available online.
You will find the economics section on the second floor of the library.
I missed yesterday's lecture. Can I borrow your notes?
I need more quotations to back up my argument.
I spent my time really studying human beings.
I still don't understand the last sentence.
You'll be less stressed if you are well prepared for the exam.
I used to have a cup of coffee with milk and 1 sugar.
留洋英语
I was overwhelmed with too much irrelevant information.
I will be in my office every day from 11 to 12.
I would never feed my dog with commercial dog food.
Ideally, free trade is beneficial for trading to both two partners.
If she does speak the language, she's not going to sit around and wait for a translator.
If you forgot your student number, you should contact Jenny Bryce.
If you like to take notes, you can, but there will be handouts.
If you need any information about the university, you can check the information office located beside the corridor.
If you need help, maybe I can give you a hand.
If you want to sell all your books, it must have a list of bibliography.
留洋英语
I'll start with a brief history of the district, and then focus on the life in the first half of the 20th century.
I'm afraid Professor Jones doesn't suffer fools gladly.
I'm glad that you've got it.
I'm glad you arrived here safely.
I'm sorry, but I have a previous appointment tomorrow.
In 1830, periodicals appeared in large numbers in America.
In 1880, cycling became a major phenomenon in Europe.
In consultation with your supervisor, your thesis is approved by the faculty committee.
In English, the first letter of months of the year are always capitalized.
In Europe, the political pressure is similar regarding globalization.
留洋英语